What's up, good people? How you doing today? Welcome to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Today I'm going to talk about another easy money play. There's more than one way to make money in the stock market, and I make money in a variety of ways. Okay, we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the outlook on the overall general stock market, and I got another easy money play for you. That and more in a minute. So let's talk about some good news first. There is a fourth vaccine, like we've been discussing, that has been approved in two other countries by Novavax. Novavax is coming out with yet another vaccine, right? So now you're going to have four vaccines. Trust me, it will get approved shortly. And we'll have four vaccines, just like I've been saying. April is going to be a phenomenal month because there's going to be so much good news coming. And there's going to be some surprises and there's going to be some volatility, but there's more good news that I see. All right. So that's coming down. Then we got the stimulus bill that just got passed, right? Those checks by the end of the month or the 1st of April. All right. So you got all of that new money that's pumping the economy. The stock market loves that. All right. And then the pent up demand. We so want to get away. We want to get on a plane. We want to go to a restaurant. All of these things are great for the economy. All right. So let's stick a pin right there. For those of you that's new to the page, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you already subscribed, make sure you check to get the notifications, okay? Because a lot of people are not getting their notifications, right? So then I'm also going to tell you about Webull, and it's in the link below provided for you. Deposit $100, use the link below, and you get 2 free stock worth up to $1,850. I'll talk about that again at the end, right? I wanted to say that. Lastly, if you see any correspondence that says check out, contact me on WhatsApp. Here's my phone number, or contact my broker. It is not me, good people. It's spam. All right. My name should be highlighted in gray. All you got to do is check on their symbol and you'll see they have 1 or 2 subscribers. It's not me. Don't fall for it. All right. Let's talk about how I make money. Another way that I make money. I make money off of short reports. Okay. Because I know that short reports causes a lot of fear in the market. And so for those of you that are new to the market, I understand. You see a class action lawsuit on a company and you get fearful. I have made money I would say probably 8 times. And this is going to sound crazy to some of you guys. I literally look for short reports. And then I look at the companies that they're doing the short reports on. And so far, every single time I've made money. Having said that, I'm going to talk about 2 stock and then I'm going to give my final stock at the end. One is ABML, all right? And the other one, I said I wasn't going to talk about it, but I'm just kind of got to breeze through it, and that's SOS. Now, these 2 stock, I want to say before I cover those 2 stocks, is I'm only doing this for those of you that have it. I'm not telling you to buy this stock. Let's be clear. Uncle Larry, Stock Up with Uncle Larry is not telling you to buy these 2 stock. I'm doing this portion for those that already have the stock. Then I'll go ahead and tell you the 3rd stock is QS, QuantumScape. So now that's a stock I want you guys to look at. All right. And if you're going to look at any 2, look at QuantumScape and ABML. All right. So let's take a look, and I'm going to lead you down a path to show you why. ABML, American Battery Metals Corporation, adamantly denies short sellers' attack of false, manipulative, and defamatory reports. Okay. So let's read a little. American Battery Corporation, ABML, an American-owned lithium battery recycling technology and advanced extraction company with extensive mineral resources in Nevada. All right. Where is that at? The company believes that recent decrease in the company's common stock can be attributed to false allegations and posted about uh, misleading misinformation recently posted about the company. All right. Shareholders are cautioned against reacting to the false statements. Right. So that is American Battery ABML. All right. Let's go to another page. Right. This is the company. Spruce Point did a short report. Spruce Point is the company that did the report on ABML. So I went to Spruce Point and see, here you could see, subjected to negative report from Spruce Point. Spruce Point, these are the same people that did the short report on ABML. And if you check their history, they have short report after short report because this is what they do. Let me show you this because this is important. Spruce Point Capital Management, a New York-based investment management firm that focuses on forensic research and short selling. Okay. And so what they do is they short sell stock, meaning they make money when the stock falls. So what do you think they're going to do? They're going to continue to put these reports out. All right, let's move on to someone special, SOS. Look at this. So this was, always look at the date of the report, March 3rd, all right, this year. SOS Limited moving beyond the short report to become an emerging leader in cryptocurrency, right? So that's what I wanted to tell you guys about these two companies. A lot of people was asking me about SOS, and I'll tell you that after the report came out, I had like 400 or 500 shares. After the report came out, I doubled down and got 1,000 shares. All right, I got it when it dipped down to 5, and my average cost now is like 690 something. Right, I bought a few more shares today. So let's go to the third stock, which is QuantumScape. Right, let's scroll down. Oh, look what we have here. Shareholders alert. Levi, familiar. Shareholders of QuantumScape Corporation, same deal. Class action, or AKA short report. And let's see, what does QuantumScape do? QuantumScape Corporation engages in the development and commercialization of solid state lithium metal batteries for electric vehicles. See here? The short report brought it down. Of course, it was up today. And I believe that it has room to double from where it is. And QuantumScape I think it's a decent company, and I see room for growth with QuantumScape. So QuantumScape is the new stock that we're talking about today. But I needed to bring you guys down this short report road, because if they see that a stock is vulnerable and it's in a position where they could short it, they will. They will short every stock possible. Yep, they'll short everybody. They'll short you, your mama, Tyrone them, Day them, Jaquan them. They will short everybody. I'm just joking. But they will, everybody. You get a short, everybody get a short. That's what they do because they make money. And for those of you that don't know, when a company is investing, betting on a stock falling, that's how they make money. And that's what a short report does for that company. So that company, as I showed you, make money when the stock falls. That's why they go and do all these short reports, okay? And it causes the stock to fall. And so that's kind of a little bit about what the whole GameStop deal was, not in total, but this is what this does. And so it causes you to be fearful, and it causes me to make money. I want you guys to be aware of the different strategies to make money. Now, this is a riskier strategy, though I've been 8 out of 8. It is a riskier strategy, so I would not invest. Hear me clearly. I would not invest money you cannot afford to lose. This is not a big play. Stay diversified. Don't dump a ton of money, especially in the SOS as a Chinese company. But I can tell you right now, I'm gonna make 100% on it. I've done it too many times. I'm gonna make 100% on SOS. And if I don't, it's money I can afford to lose. So for those of you that have SOS and ABML, if it was me, because I'm not your financial advisor, I'm just telling you what Larry would do, and I have these two, I'm holding mine. And then I'm going to make money. And if I don't make 100%, if I could see room to make 50%, I will. But QuantumScape is one that I had a few shares of, and I'm going to add to my positions just because of the space that they're in, and they're going to be needed. And so if you want to see another hot stock, QS, I believe, is a hot stock. QuantumScape. It's I believe it's a good company. I believe that there's a lot of room for growth. All right, good people, I'm gonna leave it right there. So hopefully I wasn't all over the place. I had to bring you through that so you could see why I like QuantumScape, because these short reports, that's all they do. I wish they were against the law. That's all they do is cause confusion. And for those of you that's new, it'll scare you. All right. And we don't want you guys to be scared out of your money. I'm not going to bore you with a long, it's a lot. If you have, let's say a Robinhood account and you got, $800, not only will you don't have to sell your stock, they will transfer your portfolio over. They will reimburse up to $100. Robinhood only charges $75. So you're not out of any money. Then they're going to give you 2 free stock worth up to $1,850. And if you have more money than that, it keeps tearing up all the way up to 40,000, like 25 free stock and up to $40,000 worth of free stock. So it's worth just downloading the app and putting $100 in. I hope you guys listened to yesterday's video that I did about Mara and Riot as it pertains to the stimulus check. Don't leave money on the table. We're all going to make money. All right, good people? I love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.